All right, we're going to solve some literal equations today. And in the one that's on our screen today, we're going to solve for the variable a. One thing that you're going to notice, hopefully notice right away, is that a shows up twice, and that is kind of a problem. So if I was to look at 4ca minus 3ba, a lot of people want to say, can we subtract these? And the answer in this case is no, we cannot subtract them. And the reason why is the variables are not exactly the same. So what we're going to go ahead and do with this is we should recognize that a is multiplied against 4c, and a is also multiplied against 3b. So what we can do is we can actually distribute, or I'm sorry, factor out that a. I'm going to take this a and I'm going to put it on the outside of a parentheses set. So I'm going to put it right here on the outside of a parentheses set, a, and we are going to be dividing off that a. And that's why we're bringing it to the outside of that parentheses set. So we get 4c, which would be left, minus 3b equals to g. And now what you can see is we actually have the reverse of the distributive property. So if we were to distribute that a back in, it'd be 4ca minus 3ba. Now, we do want to solve for a. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to recognize, well, how is this parentheses set 4c minus 3b attached to a? Well, it's attached by multiplication. So something that we can do is we can divide off that entire parentheses set because it represents one whole value. So I'm going to divide off 4c minus 3b. Okay, so now when we keep working from here, notice this, 4c minus 3b divided by 4c minus 3b cancels completely out. We are left with a equals to g over 4c minus 3b. So now in this one, the complicated piece was that we had to recognize that a was attached to both of the terms, and we had to factor off that a and create a parenthesis set for 4c minus 3b times a, which essentially was the reverse of the distributive property. Hope that helps solving for a today. Y'all have a great day.